Hey, man, you know what's special? I just feel good today.
You always have to feel good. I mean, why waste your life in sadness when you can enjoy a life of happiness?
Man, you a singer, a songwriter, a rapper?
I want to inspire the world. I can't just sit there and mourn at my fractures and my disability and be like, oh man, see those dudes, they're doing so good. I was never like that.
Come on, man.
I ain't never been like that.
Never, ever.
Being different and being bullied in school, I could have given up. But with any journey, there's bound to be struggle, and if we don't at least try, we'll never know how much we really can do.
When they say jump, you say move out of the way. When they say run, you'll already be gone. And when they say you can't, just smile, because you